something a little different than our normal. We got a guy, he's in a bind, 2009 F250 6.4 diesel. He's pouring power steering fluid into his floorboard. We've already had to fix one of these before. We know it's the Hydro Boost, so we're going to change it. First thing, get all this stuff out of the way. Pull the battery tray, pull the radiator overflow tank so we can access the master cylinder and take it off. Battery tray removed. Now we can get to the master cylinder. Alright, with those removed, we can remove the booster, the master cylinder, but we will leave it attached. We'll just pull it out of the way. And there's a Hydro Boost. Alright, Taylor's already unbolted it from the inside. I just got the lines off. We're going to remove this one. That's all coated. She was pouring fluid into the floorboard through that rear seal had blown out. Get the new one. Thanks to the boys at O'Reilly's, we have a replacement. Zoom. Yep, that's the same. Okay. Just R&R. And you got to use your rod from your old one to go back in your new one for your brake pedal. Right, now we can put the new one in after we've got the brake rod on the outside. It's easier to do it now than it is with it in the truck. I'll hold it and Taylor will put the nuts on the inside. And all the lines are tight. Taylor's almost done inside. We can start putting it back together. We'll start by putting this booster back, this master cylinder back on, which is hard to do with one hand. There we go. Get your battery box back in. I tried to lose more coolant than necessary. And Tyler's popping that hose back on. Then we'll be able to actually bolt it. And so far, we've been on this thing 30 minutes. Yeah, probably about 30 minutes. We're almost done. So it's not a hard job. This ain't the first one we've done. I guess knowing is worth a lot. But once you get it on, you're going to want to fill up your power steering. You're going to jack this thing up and crank your wheels left and right to bleed the air out of that Hydro Boost.